Welcome to the Home Stack. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Sonarr on Windows 11. This is the third video in my media server series, so check the description if you want to follow along from the beginning. First, open your browser, search for Sonarr, download the Windows version, and run the installer. Follow the default installation steps. Everything here can be left as recommended. Once installed, open Sonarr from the desktop shortcut and wait for it to load. If it doesn't load right away, just refresh the page or reopen the application. Sometimes it takes a moment on first launch. You may also get a firewall prompt. Make sure to allow it so Sonarr can run properly. Once it loads, you'll be taken to the login page. Create your user account. I'll just use my default credentials here. I already have my password saved in the password manager, so I'll quickly fill that in. For authentication, select Forms Login page and save your settings. Next, we'll connect Sonarr to Prowlarr to manage our indexers. If you haven't set up Prowlarr yet, check my previous video where I walked through the full installation. Go into Prowlarr, navigate to Settings, then Apps, and add a new application. Select Sonarr. This requires the Sonarr URL and API key. Since everything is running locally, we can use the localhost address. The only thing we need is the API key. Go back into Sonarr, open Settings, General, copy the API key, and paste it into Prowlarr. Run a quick test to confirm everything is working, then save. Now your indexers from Prowlarr will automatically appear in Sonarr. Next, we need to add a download client. Go to Settings, Download Clients, and select Qbittorrent. Enter your username and password. Make sure the category is set to Sonarr so downloads are properly organized. Test the connection, then save. Now go to Settings, Media Management, enable episode renaming and scroll down to add your root folder. Set your root folder to your TV directory. In my case, that's Media TV. Make sure you save your settings before moving on. Now we can start adding content. Search for a show. I'll use Bonanza as an example. Select it and add it to your library. You can configure quality profiles depending on your preferences, like 1080p, 4K. For now, I'll keep the default settings. Sometimes this happens when the download doesn't automatically start, so just click on Search Monitored and Sonarr will begin searching for available episodes. If we open Qbittorrent, we can see the download starting. Back in Sonarr, metadata will begin loading automatically. If it doesn't appear right away, just refresh or restart Sonarr. Everything should show up correctly once it finishes processing. And that's it! Sonarr is now fully set up and working. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please make sure to like and subscribe the video, and I'll see you in the next one.